Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency, but before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel because this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, same as usual, today we want talking about cryptocurrency and I want share to you about Malaysia cryptocurrency. Malaysia EXPM Najib asked court to admit new evidence as final 1 MDB appeal begins. Najib, 69, has pleaded not guilty to dozens of charges over the alleged debt of $4 and $5 billion from One Malaysia. Development Berhad, One MDB, a state-owned he CEO founded as Premier in 2009. The scandal has incurred high-ranking officials and financial institutions around the world. Procedures says more than $1 billion in one MDB funds made its way into Najib's personal account. In July 2020, he was convicted in the first of several trials of criminal breach of trust, abuse of power and money laundering for illegally receiving about $10 million from appeals court upheld the conversation last year. The federal court has scheduled hearing 12 August 26 to hear Najib's final appeal. Its file, Najib will probably begin his sentence immediately Malaysian law allows. For a review of federal court discussion, but such applications are rarely successful. Najib's lawyer, Hisham T, asked the court on Monday to admit evidence allegedly showing the trial judge who confides the ex-premier had a conflict of interest due to his previous employment at a bank. They had provided a loan to one MDB. Lead prosecutor V. Sitambaram, however, described the defense request as flawed and self-serving, says that the judge's employment record was publicly known before the trial and that his work at the bank was irrelevant to charges facing Najib. The 5 members panels of judges will likely decide on Thursday together to allow the defendant's motion. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel because this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. If there are some requests or some question, Yeah, you can comment below. Well, maybe just this. Thank you very much. See you.